Volkswagen is set to turn heads in 2025 with the bold release of the Volkswagen Beetle Pickup, a fresh take on the iconic Beetle. Known for its curvy, retro design, the Beetle has always been synonymous with fun and style. Now, Volkswagen is reimagining this beloved car by merging its nostalgic charm with the practicality of a modern pickup truck, offering a new level of versatility for drivers. The Beetle Pickup maintains the signature rounded shape that made the original Beetle a global favorite, but adds a spacious open bed at the back for utility. The combination of vintage appeal with a functional twist makes this vehicle stand out from other pickups in the market. It's perfect for those who want the charm of a classic design while still needing a vehicle that can handle practical tasks. Under the hood, the 2025 Beetle Pickup is equipped with a hybrid engine, reflecting Volkswagen's commitment to sustainability. This model offers not only better fuel efficiency, but also an optional all-electric version, catering to the growing demand for eco-friendly vehicles. The hybrid system doesn't just cut down on emissions, it also provides smooth, powerful performance suitable for both city driving and off-road adventures. Inside, the Beetle Pickup blends the old and new, offering a high-tech experience without losing its retro touch. The cabin comes equipped with modern features like a large touchscreen, advanced safety systems, and premium materials, ensuring a comfortable and enjoyable ride. Drivers will appreciate the spacious interior that still honors the Beetle's classic look with updated conveniences. By reinventing the classic Beetle into a pickup, Volkswagen successfully bridges the gap between nostalgia and innovation. The 2025 Volkswagen Beetle Pickup offers a unique driving experience that appeals to both Beetle enthusiasts and those looking for a functional yet stylish vehicle. This new iteration proves that the Beetle's timeless charm can evolve and thrive in a modern world.